If your car pulls to one side while driving, it can be frustrating and even unsafe. This problem means your vehicle does not stay straight when you're holding the steering wheel steady. Here are the common causes and simple solutions for when your car pulls to one side. If your car pulls to one side, one of the first things to check is the tire pressure. Uneven pressure between the left and right tires can cause imbalance, making the car drift while driving. A tire with low air pressure creates more drag and rolls differently than a properly inflated one. Use a tire pressure gauge to check all tires and inflate them to the recommended level found in your car's manual or door sticker. Keeping tire pressure balanced helps your car drive straight and safely. Uneven or worn tire tread can cause your car to pull to one side while driving. If one tire has more wear than the others, it may not grip the road evenly, leading to poor handling. Check the tread depth on all tires and look for signs of uneven wear patterns. Replacing worn tires and rotating them regularly can help your car stay balanced on the road. A flat or damaged tire can easily make your car pull to one side while driving. Even a slow leak or a small puncture can cause one tire to lose air and affect the car's balance. Check all tires for visible damage like nails, cuts, or bulges in the sidewall. If you find any problems, repair the tire or replace it if it is beyond fixing. Driving on healthy, properly inflated tires keeps your car stable and safe. STP Tire Fix can help seal small punctures in your tire, which may be causing uneven pressure and pulling to one side. It provides a quick and easy temporary solution without needing to remove the tire. Using it can help you drive safely to a repair shop for a permanent fix. If your car pulls to one side when braking, the problem may be with the brake system. A stuck or uneven brake caliper can cause one side to grip harder than the other, throwing the car off balance. This can happen due to rust, wear, or debris in the braking system. Have a mechanic inspect the brake pads, calipers, and rotors for damage or uneven wear. Fixing brake problem early improves safety and keeps your car stopping straight. A tire inflator portable air compressor helps maintain correct tire pressure, which is important if your car pulls to one side due to uneven tires. It allows you to quickly inflate low tires anytime, anywhere, improving balance and handling. Keeping your tires properly inflated can prevent steering problems and ensure safer driving. So, by applying these effective steps and using the right products, you can fix a car that pulls to one side.